So another day, man. We're coming to the end of the week. It's a very beautiful week. My losing streak is over officially. Although I lost some money somewhere, but that's the story at the end of the video. So as you can see, no trade on gold. We were still waiting for gold to behave. Bitcoin, not trade yet. Okay. And you remember our analysis, no trade, so no need to go into details. So that's BTC. We have oil, still the same case, no setup. We have USD, no setup. But look at this. This is one strong candle, man. Look at this. I know this has created panic in the market, man. This has lost people a lot of money. This single candle week. This one, anyone who had taken a short here, because this is a very good short setup. Anyone took a short here. I don't think any one of us had this big of a stop loss. So I know people now are more worried of trading US30 and NAS 100, man. This is the setup that gave us money, as you remember. This is the setup that gave us money. So it hit our TP1, our TP1 levels, TP2, TP3 was not hit, so that was the only losing trade. But the two open positions crossed. But one thing I observed with this thing, Euro, Singaporean dollar, it has very huge spreads when it comes to brokers, and there is one broker that made me to lose money. This is what I was about to say about why I lost some money, although I made money the same week. So that $2 challenge, I took a setup and the broker positioned me here. Look at this. The broker gave me this one as my entry. My TP2 levels were my entry when it came to that setup. Okay. Imagine all this because of spread. So I want to do a challenge of a small account, but I can't do with such brokers. And that broker is good with other pairs, e.g. gold, USD and other stuff. But when it comes to these not mostly traded pairs, the spreads are crazy, insane. Because tell me why I take a position here and you give me my entry here. So just a little drawdown, basically a little drawdown, the account was gone. Okay, the account was gone. I will post that video, but that has taught me something. So I went to a shopping of new pairs. I like to do this, play around with pairs, search for pairs that are aligning with my strategy, and look for something that will give me a good setup. This pair will have made us a lot of money, but as you know, we can't play around with big spreads. Big spreads are something that can finish you, man, as a trader. You have to be very careful with big spreads. So right now I have two pairs that are going to leave our chart. Remember we had France 40. France 40 is not respecting our trading strategy. Okay, so that will leave. We have Euro Singaporean dollar that will leave also. The reason as to why it will leave is because I don't fall in love with pairs. I fall in love with my trading strategy. So without further ado, this one will leave. Okay, that is one. We have, which is this one? This is France 40. You know why? This pair has big market opening gaps, and I said that previously. Okay, and it's not respecting our trading strategy. Tell me why. I thought this pair was going to sell here because everything showed that this pair was going to drop, but suddenly it bought. Okay, I don't have time to wait for pairs to take my money. I don't have that patience of giving market my money. I have the patience of taking money from the market. Okay, not the opposite. That's why when I was in a losing streak, I was very careful to identify my mistakes. I said pairs were one of them, not the strategy, and this is how we ended up with from France 40. Okay, so this is another thing that is going to leave. All right, so the new boy in town, we have GBP USD Actually, this one I have analyzed it the last minute. Okay, we have that one, and let me show you. We have that one under this one. Yes, sir. Where is it? Yeah. Load. I want you to load, man. Come on. You're taking too much time, man. There you go. Wanda. Thank you. So, we have these two pairs, okay? GBP and EURUSD. Now, the issue is these are correlating pairs. I don't like to trade correlating pairs, okay? That is, if one is falling, one is rising. But I have looked at how they are respecting my trading strategy, man. And both of them, they are beautiful to trade on, okay? Now, this is where I'll be very careful and very tactical, all right? I will give them time. Remember our probation process? They will have to go through it, make sure they are good pairs to trade. And after that, we can decide if we trade both of them or the most respecting strategy, or the one that we respect our strategy the most. That's what I'm trying to say in simple terms. So with that, I will close the week. I don't want to add a lot. I know it's we are coming to the weekend, man. We are going to enjoy, we are going to have fun, we are going to everything positive, everything good. And as now our losing streak has come to an end, I know we are going to have a great time. All right, we are going to have a great beautiful time. All right, so without much ado, let's observe and see. Okay, one thing I don't do, I don't backtest. All right, the reason as to why I don't backtest is because I keep pairs in real time. If it's this pair I want to decide to start trading, I keep it in real time and observe it in real time. The issue with backtesting is sometimes you already have the idea of what the market did, so you are kind of lying to yourself. You have already seen something, but you're kind of lying to yourself. It has not happened. So for me, I don't like backtesting. That's why I like to keep pairs on probation. This is where real time, real execution. So I'll be placing, if it's my buy, I'll be placing a buy, and look how it's respecting in real time without knowing the outcome, without knowing anything. That's how I like to do it, not the backtesting strategy, because I don't feel it. Okay, ever since I started trading, I have never backtested. I won't lie. All right, so without further ado, I have not forgotten you. I have not forgot you guys. Okay, please like, share, subscribe. I'll keep reminding you. I'll keep on reminding you. Let's subscribe, let's share, because this is the biggest channel. This is the biggest thing, man. Don't miss out on the next biggest trading channel that is coming. Be the first people to believe in this channel, okay? So that when the time comes, you already know what we are dealing with. All right, so I will keep on reminding you. Subscribe, like, and share. So for now, that's all out. Let's have a beautiful weekend. Yes.